beautiful San Clemente, and we are here at my friend's house, Cindy Horner's house. Cindy is an interior designer. And Cindy, tell us about your design company, what you do, how they can find you.
Hi, so my name is Cindy Horner, and you can find me on cindyhornerdesigns.com, and you can also follow me on Instagram, Cindy Horner Designs. I live in San Clemente. Most of my customers in South County, Orange County, but I actually service all Orange County.
And she's very, very talented. If you're looking for a designer, find her. And to my left, I have my friend Carmen Toure. Carmen is from Italy. Today we are going to cook international food, all of us together. Carmen is a very talented artist. In addition to her talents, Italian cooking talent, she is a very, very talented artist, and you can find her in Orange County as well. And Carmen, tell us how they can find you.
Okay, I'm Carmen. Thank you, Margaret, for introducing me. I have my art studio in Huntington Beach. I'm a contemporary Venetian plaster artist. I do custom walls, accent walls, future walls, and kind of decoration for walls, cabinet, table, everything. And you can find me on Instagram, like carmen.ture, or my website, ecladecoration.com, ecladecoration.com. Thank you.
And I will put both of their links down below for you to follow them. And today we are going to cook together. We are going to have so much fun. What have you prepared for us, Cindy?
So I have some homemade hallacas. They are basically your Venezuelan tamale meal. It's different from the tamale. Tamales are from Mexico. The name hallaca comes from allá, means there in Spanish, and acá means here. So hallaca, that means that we're pretty much using European ingredients and American ingredients, or South American ingredients, and that's how the name came from. And they're really delicious. We'll show you pictures and videos once we open them, but that's basically my contribution to our awesome meal.
And we're going to enjoy it today. And my friend Carmen is going to cook pasta for us, Italian pasta. She's from Italy, and we are going to learn from the Italian pro. And Carmen, tell us what we are going to do today.
So I brought here some Italian artisanal pasta, that farfalle, bow ties, and I bought some Italian pesto. And I always will have my extra virgin olive oil from Italy, which is my family production. Margaret knows already that. We make 3 different kind of extra virgin olive oil. It's it's a gourmet oil. It's an amazing extra virgin olive oil.
And Carmen's family makes this oil in Italy. Which part of Italy?
From Puglia, from the south of
Puglia.
Italy, yes.
That's the name of the olive oils, and I have tasted. It's very, very delicious olive oil, and the packaging is like out of this world. It makes such a great gift. If you're looking to give a gift to a chef, this is a perfect gift to your chef friends. And now today we are going to cook together. I'm going to make Armenian red bean salad. I have made it before. It's on my YouTube channel, but today we are going to make it together. It's going to be international food today. Venezuelan, Italian, Armenian. We also have Italian wine here.
All right.
What kind of wine do we
It's
have?
Italian Chianti from Tuscany, yes.
Italian Chianti from Tuscany.
And we have panettone italiano for Christmas, Italian cake for Christmas. Yeah.
What's more Italian than panettone?
Yeah.
And we are going to have Armenian wine. We are going to have Gangun, all the way from Aragazzo, the region in Armenia. So this is international. Let's cook together. So stick with us and let's learn how to make pasta, how to make Armenian salad, and also my friend Cindy made some green salad. What's in your green salad, Cindy?
It's just some lettuce, some tomatoes, onions, and the whole point is to try all of the amazing olive oil. So we're gonna have like 3 different ones, and then we're gonna decide which ones are our favorite. So we're super excited about it.
So we're having a olive tasting, we're having wine tasting today, and we are cooking together. What's more fun than that? So stay with us, and we are going to cook together.
And buon appetito!
Yes. Okay, let's cheers. Okay, now Carmen is going to make her pasta. Carmen, tell us what you're doing. Let's move.
It's very simple. I will use this pasta, which is from Italy. I will boil some water with salt, and I will cook 10 minutes this pasta, which is a certified organic Italian pasta from Italy.
Where do you buy this here? You bring it all the way from Italy?
No, I have all my Italian store
Tell
around
our
here.
followers where they can find
I
it.
know, I found Italian food everywhere. I am very picky with Italian food because I know very well how is the original Italian food. This is a really good quality of pasta, okay? And there sprouts, whole food, or something. It depends. There are some many
So you can
places.
find it in your local grocery
Absolutely,
stores.
yes. And when pasta is ready, we'll add some pesto, which is from Buitoni. Buitoni is an Italian company, and the pesto is very good. It's very delicate, and it's very, very good pasta with that.
And they can find this in their local grocery
This,
stores.
yes, normally I bought from Ralph or yes, it depends, but there are some Italian company that have this pesto.
Okay. So now we know where to find it. Let's cook.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's start.
What's the next step?
Yes, start boiling the water.
So the pasta water is boiling.
Yeah, we need to wait that boil,
And-
so take 5 minutes.
And you added salt.
Salt, yes, big salt. And
And Cindy is opening another jar
Running out
of
of
salt.
salt. Any more?
so we are ready to cook the pasta. Water is boiling, so we add 500 grams of this farfalle di grano duro, which is Italian macaroni product. Bow tie is the name. So now we need to wait from 10 to 12 minutes that the pasta is ready. Then we can put the pasta in the colander to drain, and we are ready to put the pesto in a big bowl where we put the pasta.
What are you doing now?
So I'm preparing the pesto. So I add some pesto in this cup with a little bit of water of the pasta, so it's become more
Liquid.
liquidy. Okay. So, but we need to wait that pasta is ready. Okay, pasta is ready. We're just melting now pasta and pesto.
Well, my friends are busy and Carmen is making the pasta. She's almost done with it. She mixed it already. And Cindy is boiling the tamales. Right, Cindy? What are you doing now?
Just boiling the tamales for, it will take just like 10 minutes because they
10
were
minutes.
freshly made.
Okay, let's make the salad. Can I have a salad bowl, Cindy?
Yeah.
So we can mix it. I'm going to open the cans. I usually boil my own beans, but this time I'm going to show you the shortcut. We are going to use kidney beans. Those are red kidney beans, and we are going to use 2 cans. All we need is the kidney beans, cilantro, some lemon juice. Can you do me a favor, Cindy? Can you just squeeze this? We are going to discard the ends of the cilantro. Pasta is ready now. We want to make this real quick so we can enjoy everything while it's hot. Ooh, pasta.
Oh, yum.
Here, you can put it here.
I can open this for you. Both of them?
And could you please drain it too?
Sure.
Thank you.
Give me Cindy, I will do it.
Oh, thank you, Beth.
Thank you, girls. This salad doesn't take long. Once you chop everything, it's almost done. I chopped the cilantro. We had one bunch of cilantro. We need half onions. Do you girls like onions?
I do.
Carmen, do you like onions?
Yes.
Okay. So we don't have problem having onion in our salad. I usually keep the root intact so it will be easy to cut.
All right. do that.
Thank you so much. I'm going to mix it here and then we'll transfer it to the other serving bowl. And Carmen, which one would you prefer? Which oil should we
Oil.
use?
So yes, we have 3 different kind of oils. This one is the more light taste. The taste is very light. This is Puye, is the name of the company. Amphitrite is the extra virgin olive oil. The other 2 flavor are much more strong. This is Rea and this is I don't remember the name because there is no label.
So
We
Rhea is
forgot.
a little more
Rea,
concentrated.
it's very spicy.
Oh,
and
spicy.
also this is spicy. Those 2 oils
What kind
are
of spice? Is it like
it's a
pepper?
little different kind. No, it's a different kind of olive. The olive are a little bit flavor, a little bit spicy quality.
Oh,
These
interesting.
olives are more plain, are more soft, you know.
Okay.
Those olive are more spicy. It's just the olive that makes this kind of taste. So
Okay.
I think if you like spicy, you can use one of these. This is more spicy than this. This is medium. Medium. This is very spicy. And this is no spice.
Okay, we'll do the no spice one.
Yeah, no spice is this.
I'm adding the lemon juice. So we squeezed 1 lemon. And we're adding the pude.
Puye is the name yes,
Puye.
of the company.
I'm sorry, I pronounced it wrong.
Yeah,
We're
Puye.
using puye olive oil.
Perfect.
Now we have to season it with salt and pepper.
Little bit of oil here because
May I have a spoon, Cindy?
Sure.
Thank you. And our salad is ready.
Oh, yum. So I think on the plates we can do the pasta and
Yeah.
salad.
Pasta is on the table, huh?
And our bean salad is ready. Now we'll meet you at the table. is ready. We have made, what have you made? We have made pasta, we have made
Hallacas.
salads. What else is called hallaca? It's
Hallaca, it's a Venezuelan traditional meal. And we also have the Armenian salad.
yes,
And we have
Italian pasta.
Italian pasta.
And
Cheers.
with Pugge oil.
Puglie oil.
Puglie oil.
Puglie extra virgin olive oil from Puglia, Italy.
And now we are going to taste it and we are going to say goodbye to you. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Thanks for
And
joining
wonderful
us.
2023.
Yes.
Cheers.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Cheers to you all. How do we say it in Italian?
Salute.
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 How do you
Salute.
say Happy New Year in Italian?
Buon anno.
Un anno.
Buon anno in italiano, yeah. And in venezuelano?
Venezuelan.
In Spanish, Feliz Año Nuevo.
Felice anno nuovo.
Feliz Año Nuevo.
Feliz Año Nuevo.
In Armenian?
Shnorhavor Nordali. Shnorhavor Nordali.
Love it.
Okay, international blessing for happy, amazing 2023.
Happy 2023 to all of us, everybody. Health and happiness.
Oh my gosh, yum.
Yeah,
Wine.
Chianti.
Wow.
Yeah. Tuscany wine. Buon appetito.
So Carmen, when do you make the panettone? Is it Christmas time?
Yes,
or?
this is the most famous Italian Christmas cake
Uh-huh.
that is very artisanal. Little company do that, but it's delicious. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
It's
It
delicious.
smells so good.
Yeah.
My special thanks to our friend Cindy for inviting us over for lunch and introduced us to Venezuelan cuisine. We very much enjoyed hallacas. It was delicious, out of this world. Also, my special thanks to our friend Carmen for cooking Italian pasta for us. Thank you all for joining us and watching this video. If you enjoyed watching us, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Happy 2023 to you all. Bye bye.